Hi guys, my name is Pete and this is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to this new free video content that I'm pretty much sure you're going to really love, because today I want to show you one of my personal intraday strategy from the beginning till the end, and I'm going to do that showing you one of my running trade. We are on EURGBP. Now I show you why I choose to open this trade and all the settings that I made, okay, all the setups that I'm looking for to run in this trade. Okay, so let's go straight to the video. Okay, so let me wear my glasses, and as you can see, this is a trade, and how I open the order, how I open the trade. First of all, multi-time frame analysis. I suppose you know the importance of multi-time frame analysis. I do never open a trade against the primary trend. So first of all, I want to understand who is really winning, okay, in the market, buyers or sellers. To do that, the best thing you can do is a multi-time frame analysis. So we are on intraday, point of view. So quick trade, not a scalping, but intraday, okay, just a trade that you open and you close during the day. Okay, so let's first begin on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, it is clear, okay, a downtrend. Okay, if you see higher high, okay, and lower lows. Okay, so I suppose there's no doubt about it. Okay, second thing, I saw this trend line. Okay, if you see price first react to the zone that is, as you can see, so price react here, okay, from this candle by which this big impulse was created on the 6th of April, and start a very good bullish impulse. Okay, so this will be quite enough to consider a trend changing. Okay, we are on a daily, so it's very strong as a signal. Okay, but what price made? So this is trend line, okay, and then you can see price turned back, okay, inside this channel. Okay, take liquidity here, okay, and go up to touch this trend line again. Okay, and here I open my short. Okay, why? Because first of all, this signal, sorry, let me draw trend line. This signal is very powerful. Okay, is very powerful, just because it's kind of fake pattern, just because price seemed to finally break this channel to go up, but then move back and keep on following the main channel. We are on downtrend, as you can see. Price is below the 200 EMA, which is the yellow line, and price it is below the 50 MA, which is the green one, and the 50 MA is below the 200 MA. So everything tells me that we are going to be short again. Obviously, this is a very, very powerful zone in which I have to expect that price will react again, but probably, as you can see, we have here double bottom. Okay, let me zoom. We have a double bottom here. Okay, but probably price will react here. Okay, to finally break. Okay, break the trend line, because this keep on being a very good signal of trend changing. Okay, but as the price move back, I change my idea. Okay, so I am now short. Okay, obviously I don't want to wait for the price to go in here. Okay, because we are on a discount zone, so this is not a good zone to open a short. Okay, but this trend line, let me do that. Okay, this trend line advise me, but this trend line tells me that could be a very good moment, a very good time to go short again. Okay, so let's move on a 1 hour time frame or a 4 hour time frame to find the perfect zone in which open a trade. And as you can see, let me remove, we have this impulse. Okay, obviously when I saw this signal, let me take a replay mode. I was more or less here. Okay, so we take this impulse, and as I always do, and this is explained on a video in which I spoke about discount and premium areas. Okay, and the importance to recognize them, to risk the less possible. Okay, to take the statistics by our side. Okay, so if this is the last impulse, I will never open short here, but I will open a short here. Okay, so above the 50% of the last impulse. Okay, but it's not enough, just because I want to take all the impulse, and as you can see here, the impulse had started. Okay, so this is the seller dominance. Okay, dominance is another very important key concept that you have to know, and I post a video. So this is seller dominance that suggests me that price will probably react here, maybe in a very strong way, maybe not. Okay, maybe like this, or maybe like this. Okay, we do not know, obviously, but this is a very important zone. Okay, so I wait first of all for the price to reach this zone. Okay, I will not open short until the price reach the zone. Okay, so this is a very, very important. So let's move. Okay, now finally price get into the zone. Now I have to wait for a trigger. It's not enough. I do not work with pending orders. Okay, I will not place an order here, and just because I want to focus on momentum. And as you can see here, momentum, the buyer's momentum is too high to open a short, just because, as you can see, you get this impulse. If you place an order there, it can be good, could be good. I mean, 50% of times you take the stop loss, okay, just because you do not consider momentum. So let's move back, and as you can see, this is a very good, very good signal. Why? We have this engulfing. This maybe is not in engulfing, sorry, but this is a very good pattern, okay? A very good pattern. There is a name, I don't remember. I never remember the name of the patterns, but anyway, this is a very good signal just because we have this candle, which is a pin bar, okay, in which price, for the first time after this big impulse, show me an impulse, a counter impulse, okay, a bearish impulse, and then, sorry, let me remove, then we have this huge candle, okay. This is liquidity. So if we move on a 50 minutes time frame, what we see this liquidity catching. You can open a trade here, okay, when price closed, okay, below this signal, okay. As you can see, price, the blue candle engulf, okay, contains the red one, the following red candle. So this is a very good signal. It means that when price close below, in this case, this support, okay, which is the end of this kind of setups, it means that you can go short, okay, because it's a strong bearish movement. It's a strong bearish signal, okay. To be honest, this is not enough for me. I entered here, okay. I enter here. Why? For the same reason that this, okay, is another impulse, okay, and I do not want to enter below the 50. I don't want to enter short below the 50, okay, just because, as you can see, believe me guys, the 90% of the time price makes this movement, okay. As you can see, after an impulse there is a correction. Price needs to breathe, okay. So I opened my short here, okay. I opened my short here. As you can see, that you know how we are now, okay. We are running very good, okay. Probably I enter here. I don't remember now exactly, but one of these two levels. But as you can see here, you have lots of, I enter here, I suppose, or here, I don't remember exactly, but as you can see, you have lots of entry points. Okay, these points, these levels are easy enough to identify. Why? Look at this candle. This is the previous buyer dominance, okay. From this candle, okay, this impulse was created, okay, and this impulse broke the last high that we had before, which is this one. So this zone is a very, very important zone. In fact, as you can see, price reacted so many times. Okay. What about stop loss or take profit? So I enter here. Stop loss, just a few pips above the higher high, and TP. For the TP, let's move on 1 hour again. We have where is yeah, this one. Okay, this one. Why here, which is a 4.3 risk to reward ratio, that is quite good. Why here? Just because, as you can see, I really don't like this setup. Okay, this is engulfing. Okay, here we have so many orders, so I'm pretty much sure that below this this low, price will react. So to be honest, I will probably close my trade here. Okay, which is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which is perfect. Okay, very, very good as well. Okay, guys, this is a very, very easy strategy that you can use on Forex, on commodities, on indices. Start from the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame to understand the direction in which you have to go. Okay, move down on 1 hour time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame, to identify the zone in which opening a trade, and wait for a momentum, wait for a clear signal, okay, by your direction, by your side. Okay, do not work on pending orders. Okay, last thing, guys, I hope you saw it. I launched my free professional trading course, which you can still find on my website, but a lot of free content will gradually be available here on YouTube. I repeat, completely for free. It is a choice dictated by the desire to give something truly valid, okay, in a completely free way, in this garbage of content that I see every day. Okay, it doesn't seem correct to me, because trading is the best job in the world. I really do believe that, but we mustn't pass it off as what it isn't, because I've seen many people, many traders get very, very badly. Okay, guys, I think it's enough. Let me get my glasses off, and what else? I hope you really enjoy everything I do in this channel. I will keep on doing everything for free, and that's pretty much it. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.